Now, here we are, finishing off the lunch.
Sorry,
And looking at the view, because I want to see, there's the ferry coming in from Toulon, which is just across there. And it takes about 15 minutes to go across on that ferry. And the ferry then stops just at the pier over there. And it also stops
just near us.
in the town. You see the ferry going in there now. There he goes. Yeah. And he's going to go in just to the town there. It's about another minute away into the middle of the...
Okay, enough about him. Back to me. Back to me.
Oh, it sounds like Jenny.
Enough about them, back to me. This is...
Oh, it's not Jen. Jen?
It's not Jen, it's Memmy.
It's Memmy.
Okay. I am
Oh, you're in the dark there. Why is that? Oh, yes. Go on.
Okay, I am having Santagur blue cheese. On top of the Santagur, I am having a poire, mûr, that's the right pair. So there's the cheese, and there's the poire mûr, and there's the red wine.
There's the second glass of red wine.
Eat your... It's the first glass.
Oh, what was before it?
Rosé.
Oh.
Eat your heart out. Oh! Mmm! Mmm! Heaven can wait. Mmm!